County in northwestern Oregon until 8:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles west of Bagby Hot Springs, Oregon, 20 miles northwest of Detroit, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Moella and Colton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIG 98, broadcasting on 162.550 MHz near Portland, Oregon.
Another surprise SVR? Are you serious?